Welcome to the final part of our Osaka tour. We begin at the futuristic Umeda Sky Building, a masterpiece of modern architecture. Experience walking in the sky as you ride the world's highest escalator across the open-air atrium. Below the futuristic towers lies Takemikoji, a recreated 1920s street offering a nostalgic taste of old Osaka. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Now we head to the Bay Area for a world of fantasy at Universal Studios Japan. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Step into a real-life video game in Super Nintendo World, where the food is as playful as the scenery. From the warp pipe to the wizarding world, Osaka is a city that never stops imagining. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Thanks for joining our journey.